Spend 2 weeks testing every free AI tool available on Mac in 2026. Most of them garbage. But one genuinely surprised me. Here's the full honest ranking. No sponsorships, no bias. Before I show you the results, here are the 4 criteria I tested against. Every tool gets judged on the same standards. No exceptions. Coming in last, the browser-based free tiers. They all look good on paper until you actually try to use them every single day. Message limits kick in fast. You get pushed to a paid plan constantly, and there is no native Mac experience whatsoever. Number 3. Running local AI models yourself. Technically free and unlimited, but the setup is genuinely brutal. We're talking terminal commands, manual model downloads, troubleshooting for hours. For most people, this is not a realistic option. Number 2, there are a couple of other OpenClaw installers out there. They do work. But the setup requires more steps. The builds aren't always cryptographically verified. And the overall experience feels unpolished compared to what I found at number 1, Ease, and the number 1 free AI tool for Mac in 2026, Getclawhub, and it is genuinely not even a competition. Watch this in real time. I go to Getclawhub.com. I click the download button once. The installer handles everything automatically. No terminal, no configuration files, no README to read. In under 60 seconds, OpenClaw is open and ready for my first conversation. Limited conversations. I have been using this every single day for 2 weeks straight. Not once have I seen a message limit warning. Not once. Full quality responses every time. Not demos, not previews, not a free trial. The real thing. You do not need an account to start. Download the installer, open the app, and you are talking to OpenClaw immediately. Your full conversation history is saved automatically from your very first message, even before you ever register. It is built specifically for Apple Silicon. Native RM64, which means it runs fast, runs clean, and is easy on your battery. And every single build is SHA-256 verified. What you download is exactly what OpenClaw's developers shipped. No tampered files, no outdated versions. 50,000 people are already using Getclawhub, software engineers, freelance consultants, students, content creators, CTOs running it across entire teams, all of them paying exactly $0. If you want free, unlimited, native AI on your Mac in 2026, this is the answer. The download link is in the description below. Getclawhub.com. 1 click. 60 seconds. Free forever. Go try it right now.